Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today topic is a developer portfolio from blog using Node.js. Start of the project. Developer portfolio blogs are the great way to developer to showcase their skills and experience to the potential employer by writing about the work. Developers can demonstrate their knowledge of the different programming knowledge, technologies and frameworks. They can be also share their insight on the best practice and in the industry. One of the most important things to consider when writing a developer portfolio blog is the target audience. Once you know your target audience, you can tailor your content their needs and interest. Another important consideration is quality of writing. Your blog's post will be the writer in informative and engaging. Avoid using the jargon and technical terms to the audience may be not understand. Will have most user and the GitHub will have users to the find out the developer oriented content will have make that portfolio in a flowchart diagram chart. You will have the start the program, you will have design the home page when we have UX design in React. You will have you open the login screen or register screen, you will have display that register screen. First you have registered your details where is name, phone number, password and email ID and GitHub username will have enclosed. Then have then have your correct name, user and password. You will have the dashboard will have given. Then you have the seen your profile dashboard and education details will be have the add and experience will be add. You can edit options will have more education detail to add the options, and then you have more experience will be added in your company verification. Then you have the post will have be the share, you will share your thoughts and share your frameworks and share your project will be, and post will be display it. Then will be have then will be have attention to have as a post like comment will be share over the negotiation in the another users. Then will be the share the post your based on the performance with the project. That's it. In running video, open the VS Code to open the terminal, and npm start will be you have database will be connected. Then client will be start. Then another again npm start. Wait, some more times will be have enabled. Then starting the development server in the Chrome browser. There is a user interface of the developer book. It's a name as a Trox. Taken the developers and they are already connected in the developers in that have the portfolio inserts the it's a name, it's a profile picture, and the manager also EGC is a Chennai. It's have the link about that, and about this good developer. You have skill set as JavaScript, Node.js, React.js and Express.js. Have no experience will be detail will have not out, and the education details will not have. Then have a register pages will have a register as name, Maha, and you have any Gmail ID. Then get repository name, you have any you have GitHub links, you will have get it, and then you have enter the password to maximum length as the 6 to more. Then you have the register successfully. You have developer sites will be added and intermediately. Then have the dashboard. To create a professional, I am as a Genius developer as name as any company ABC, ABX, something else. You have the company email ID and link will be have follow that. Like another skill set, we have Android and GitHub username. We'll have enroller and something else. We have the page about the some domain. You have the add the social network links. You have paste that. Have the Twitter link, the Facebook link. Have something your ID will enclose this. Then will be submitter. Have profile created successfully, and you have get the add the experience like job title as developer, company, ABX, location, and another, and from date and which date you will be joined, and date will be enforced 17/06 2004. Okay, you will have the current job, will get it. The disable the true date will be have that. You have not a current job that you have enclose the 18/06 2009. You have work on the 5 years. Then job description. I am a TL. I am a TL to submitted. So experience will be had at ABX developer this year to this year. You have deleted. You have deleted. Then education list. ABC school, degrees in HSC, and field of study and bio. From date, you have enclosed the when date will be start 17 8 1999. Okay, you completed school, but you did not enclose that. How number is the form 214 08 like a 2000. Have description have for hi. Okay, that's it. How the developer post will be added. You already have a sheet detail photo will have display that. Then we will not have is have the getup post will be shared that. It's a default image will be have a handle that. Then post pages. You have the any post will be have. Then hi, good morning. Submitted. The Maha also have the submitted. Maha will be have the portfolio will have get it. That's it. Experience and education will be set in profile pages will be have. I have added the link, Twitter link and Facebook link. You have enrolled that. You have the edit profile. Even that's that. Then you have logout. So see in the developer will enclose that. You only log in the post and share the comments and more details do you want. Then you have the login. Jude. Okay, your profile page will be have get it. I have the post. Then will be discussion. Good. Okay, you can delete to delete. Then I can post. Good. Submit. Okay, it's that it. Command will be added. You have discussion this person to this person. Then you have the like your comments and then like your comments will be increased. Then unlike your comment, the like your command is decreased. Log out. That's all. Thank you.